I had that really unnerving feeling, and my ears inside my head just completely popped, and everything else just sounded like a complete roar, as if it was a lion roaring, or if there was just a jet engine going off somewhere around me, or just right outside my window. It was just like a huge explosion. There was just that really loud pop, and then at that very instant, all the wind that was on the outside of the vehicle was on the inside of the vehicle. So a lot of things was getting blown around. I even had parts of house shingles, house roofing, siding, all flying into the vehicle. We ended up with tons of insulation in the vehicle.